So basically what I did, this and yellow wire for some reason had just only 25 volts. So I run a wire directly from positive to that, and after that it's working. I don't know what's wrong, why it lost that voltage, but yeah, now it's fine. Kugoo S4, and I guess G3 is very similar, or M2 Pro.